Many of you guys ask me this question: how does a mom of 3 and a household of 5 people you are able to keep it clean? Guys, I want to show you guys a little secret of what I do and how I'm able to maintain my house clean, not only as a mom of 3 kids, soon to be 4, how I'm able to maintain this house clean, and also show you guys a house tour. This was my previous living room setup. This is how you guys saw everything, and I want to go ahead and show you guys how I maintain and keep this. Let's do it, guys. Welcome to my living room in the morning. This was early morning. The kids were sleeping. I decided to go ahead and remove the blinds, guys. The blinds, I feel like, were collecting dust. They were blocking the light from being viewed. And I was like, you know what? I want to go ahead and remove the blinds. This will help me not only keep this house clean, I don't have to dust the blinds all the time, and I can go ahead with less things to do throughout the house. So I went in and removed the blind, and look at the difference it make. You can see the smile in my face. I was wondering why I haven't done this in a while. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Gladys. Here I show you guys how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If that is anything that interests you, please go ahead and show some support by clicking on the like button and also subscribing if you're new. God bless you guys. Let's continue into the video. After removing the blinds, this is how the house looks like. It's super bright, and this will help me not only film videos, but it helped me keep this place clean. I can just clean my windows without the blind. So I decided to go ahead and remove what was holding the blinds in place from the wall so that I don't have that metal just standing there. And I'm a one-woman show, guys. I love doing and cleaning my house by myself. Sometimes hubby helps me, but I prefer to do things alone. And since we transition from having so much stuff to minimalism, it has helped me keep my house clean without doing too much stuff. And I was thinking, what should I do to maintain that? And removing the blinds definitely helped. So I just cleaned the windows from the inside and outside. Many of you guys want to see these background videos. I come and I just show you how pretty the house looks like and everything, but no one sees what I do in the back. So just cleaning the windows, I just went in with the regular Windex, and then now I'm using the foam spray, which cleans it better. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of deep cleaning while I'm at it. I know I'm pregnant, but I'm not disabled. I love a clean house, and it makes me feel good. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the chairs and all the furniture actually in the living room. I did vacuum and all of that, but I didn't want to bore you guys because I know you guys are here for a house tour. But guys, let's continue. You're going to love this video.
We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through.
I'm gonna go ahead and fluff my pillows and the cushions that is on the chairs. And since I do not have any decorative pillows, this helps this house keep clean for a very longer time because no one is tossing pillows on the floor and things like that. I'm also going to go ahead and continue a little bit of deep cleaning, my walls, because this will stay clean for a little while instead of doing a normal cleanup. I love moving my furniture around, guys. It helps me get under the chairs and pillows and see dirt that I usually would not see, and it just makes the house feel brand new, which I really like. Also, what I do is use old pieces and transform them into new, like this beautiful table that I spray painted black. I felt like the white was a little bit too firm, I'll say, house-ish. So now this is what it's going to look like. Just a simple, beautiful. I love the aesthetic of this table in the living room. It's really pretty, guys. It goes with my black and white theme here, and I love it. Let's continue, guys. I have another table that I picked from the thrift store, guys. This was $5 and that day was 50% off, so I got it for $2.50. Can you imagine it? I love it. It's like a cocktail table. It's really pretty. I wanted to use it around my landing space, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a very good clean and remove all the dust, all the dirty things from it, and go ahead and use the same spray paint color that I used with the previous table. And guys, this transformed the landing space. There is the mirror on the landing space. In front of it there was nothing, and putting that table there just made it feel very pretty. It made it look very grand, and I cannot wait to show you guys what that looks like.
Now we got it. We don't need no more.
I just love some of the comments that I get from you guys. How do you maintain your home? How does your home feel? Like it's always brand new, it's always clean, and looks like you have brand new items. This is what I do, guys. I transform the things that are old in my house. I move furniture from one place to the other, and this is what this table looks like, guys. It's beautiful, and this is between my kids' bedroom and my bedroom, and it's right where we come to the landing space. We look at ourselves in the mirror. Look at that. It's so pretty. Let me know what you guys think about it. How do you like it? But yeah, I really like it. So this is how I maintain my home, and I keep it clean. Not only by just changing things around, but I do a lot of deep cleaning. And let's get into the house tour. So this is the end, guys. Look how bright and beautiful the windows look without the window treatment. So it just looks really bright in here, and I just kept it very simple with my minimalistic home book and just some greenery. And since we're in the summer-ish ending, spring going into summer, just wanted to add lots of green into the house. And this is it at night, guys. It just looks so pretty that I can close the curtains now. Before it's usually the blinds that I close, but I feel very at ease. And this is how I maintain and keep my home clean, even though I have 3 little ones and we're a family of 5, soon to be a family of 6. And this is how I maintain my home. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. I promise you're going to love them. Click on that subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. If you like this video, it has inspired you, click on the like button. And I appreciate you guys. God bless you guys. See you guys into the next video. Bye, y'all.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.